if you're gonna be replacing the center wheel caps on a, this is a 2006 Audi A4, the wheel style definitely matters. This is the wheel style that we got with the car, and there's two different styles that, two major different styles that I've seen. There's this one, and there's another one. It looks pretty similar to this, except these are solid. There's no hole through it, and they actually have two different style wheel caps. This style, which came with the car, and you can see all the chrome's gone, it's kind of faded, it has a different back to it. At first they look the same, they're the same diameter exactly, and they look just about the same. There's no divots right there in the chrome, but when you flip them over, that's when you see the differences. On this one, you can see that we have these tabs here. On this one, nothing like that is seen around here. And also, these have tabs right here, and right there. And those slide right into the grooves on the wheel to keep it from spinning and to keep it aligned. So there are differences on this cap, and also these clips here don't extend quite as far as those. So this one sticks out more, so these won't even fit on our wheel. So these were about $25 for all four of them, and that's about the cheapest I could find it, because whenever you look anywhere else, if you're gonna get a brand new one of these, of this style, it's about $43 a piece. So it'd be like $170 if you wanted to get all new ones all the way around. So it's definitely expensive to get the right ones. So what we might end up doing for the price is just taking this chrome piece off and then maybe taping off the centerpiece and spray painting this black, because black just kind of goes with a lot of things, especially on the wheel. You have the tire and other black trim pieces around it. Black goes with everything, but it's definitely something you want to take a look at, and make sure you are getting the correct wheel center cap for the wheel.